What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. So here I have my clean chicken pieces. Now I'm not preparing a lot, so I just have 2 legs and 2 thighs, but you want to ensure that you wash it very well. So here I have a mixture of seasoning, so I will leave all the ingredients on screen and also in the description box. So I am using my favorite seasonings. Now you want to ensure that you use yours. Alright, so I'm just gonna combine all the ingredients together, and then I am going to add the seasoning to my chicken. Now bear in mind that you want to ensure that your chicken is well seasoned. I will not marinate mine for a long time, maybe about half an hour. Alright, so you can do it a longer time, but today I don't have the time, so I just have to work with the time that I have. So I like to pat the seasoning on the chicken. You know, when it bakes, you have a nice beautiful color. I use some garlic powder, chicken seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I use a little lemon pepper seasoning, which is completely optional. You don't need to use it if you don't want to. And I use some what they call it seasoning again. I will leave all of them in the description box, guys. I don't remember everything that I use now. So ensure that you add some seasoning under the chicken as well, you know, because unlike me, I don't like to eat the chicken skin, so I have to make sure that my chicken is seasoned. So when I throw my chicken skin, even though I go bake it with the chicken skin, because you know the chicken skin do traps the moisture in the chicken, and you know chicken are dry and trash it go moist and delicious. Alright, so I'm adding all the seasoning to the chicken. Afterwards I'm just gonna cover and let it marinate for half an hour, as I said. So after I finish doing so, I'm just gonna rub the seasoning into the chicken, so that you know it can be nice and seasoned. Alright, so when it's time for me to proceed, I'll come back. But guess what, guys, you want to ensure that you preheat your oven at this point. Alright, so the oven temperature will be in the description box. So I grease my baking container with some oil. Now you want to place your chicken in the baking dish. Alright, so I'm gonna just do that, and then all the leftover seasoning I will also put it in the bowl. Alright, so you don't have to leave nothing in the dish that you use to season the chicken. Now you can always turn your chicken skin side down, however I do love to do it this way. Alright, so either ways it's still gonna bake and still gonna taste good. For a nice crispy chicken skin, I am using some butter. Now if you don't want to use the butter, you can use some oil, but the butter do add some nice flavor to my chicken, so I may add a little bit of butter, maybe like half a teaspoon, sorry, on each piece of the chicken. Now if you love crispy skin, then you know the butter is very good to use, but as I said, I'm not gonna eat the chicken skin. Alright, but the chicken still gonna crispy and nice, because as the chicken bakes, the butter is gonna melt. Alright, so it's gonna spread all over on your chicken and give it that nice little taste. Alright, after about 15 minutes of baking time, this is how the chicken looks. So I'm gonna just turn them over to the other side. Alright, because I want the underside for bake. Now guys, I love my chicken well baked, so I'm gonna show you every step, because you know I don't want you guys to be left behind. Alright, what if you're a person who is baking chicken for the first time? I want you to get the concept correctly. Alright, so when I turn over your chicken, I have some little oil in the container, sorry. I'm just gonna use it to baste the chicken. Basting the chicken traps the moisture, and also it gives the chicken a nice color. Alright, so after I put my chicken in the oven, this is now 30 minutes in total since the chicken is baking. So because this is the underside of the chicken, I'm gonna turn it over to the other side, and then I'm gonna make it bake until it's crispy and nice and golden brown. Alright, so guys, my chicken skin got stuck in the container. Sorry, I don't know why I'm always saying pot, sorry. And so it's in the baking dish, but that's fine. As I said, I'm not gonna eat the chicken skin. So I'm gonna just baste the chicken again, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven just for it to, you know, get some nice beautiful color. As I said, basting chops the moisture into your chicken, make it juicy and nice, and also it make your chicken have a nice beautiful color. Now guys, as I said, 30 minutes the chicken has been baking, so it's almost fully baked. So I'm gonna just push it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 more minutes, and then it will be all done. As you can see, my chicken pieces, they are not big, so the bigger the chicken, the longer it will take to bake. Alright guys, so guys, I must say thank you so much for watching my video. And the person who is always watching my video and commenting, I will leave his name on screen. So guys, if you want to be a part of my shout out, just ensure that you click subscribe, comment when you watch the video, and you'll be in the next shout out. Alright, now this is how my chicken looks. It has a nice beautiful color after it's finished baking. Now to the container that I baked the chicken in, there were a little, you know, some little flavors in there, so I just added a cup of water, and then I use a spoon to just, you know, release all of those flavors from the bottom of the dish, and then I add it to this pot. Now may I add some ketchup. Now if you don't like ketchup, you don't need to add it. May I add some fish and meat sauce, maybe about half a teaspoon. And may I add some garlic powder. I don't know, some love garlic powder, but if you like to use the fresh garlic, go ahead and use it. I also added a teaspoon of sugar. Now may I add some chili powder. After doing so, I'm gonna just mix nicely, and you wanna taste. Alright, so I tasted mine, and it needed a little all-purpose seasoning. No, I didn't taste yet. After I finish mixing, I'm gonna taste. Alright guys, so sorry for that error. So I know how mine would taste, so I'm just add a little chicken seasoning, not all-purpose, chicken seasoning. So now I just tasted. Alright, so mine never need anything else more than a little tongue, so I'm gonna add some white vinegar, and I'm also going to add some pimento seeds. Alright, because Monty have a nice island flavor. So I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of white vinegar. You can always use a brand that you use, and I'm gonna add my pimento seeds as I said earlier. Then I'm gonna make it simmer for a little bit of time until it becomes thick, and then I'm gonna put out the flame. Bear in mind that if you are preparing more chicken than me, then you would have to double or triple the recipe, or based on the amount of gravy that you want. Right, so the gravy is all done and it tastes nice, so I'm just gonna move on to the next step. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed the video, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the family, and also give me a thumbs up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm.